In this video I'm gonna show you how to change name for your Bluetooth for the Kobo Libra 2. So in order to do that, we'll need to press on the More button, which is located in the bottom right corner of our screen, and from here press on the settings. Now locate Bluetooth connection and click on it. From here you can change the Bluetooth device alias by pressing on Edit. And here we can enter the name that we want to use. So for this example, I'm gonna call it Kobo HardReset. Press save, and the name will change. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.